Hi everyone, Sean Wicks, AudiSportExpert.ca. Today I'm going to talk to you about used cars. Not everybody can buy a new car, of course. And some people are saying, like, you know, the prices of new cars have gone up, and to reach 100 grand or more is easy now on a car, right? We've seen it. So used cars is the next best thing. What's the difference between an Audi used car and a regular used car on another lot, like not from a dealership? Well,
150-point inspection or something.
wrong, but you're close. You
72.
only got it half right, because it's actually 300-point inspection. We're audited by Audi Canada, so we have to do a complete inspection. And what does that give you? Well, for one thing, does anybody know, for safety on your brakes, if you have to get new brakes, what a safety is on a brake? It's 2 millimeters, 20%. It's something like that. That's considered safe for you to drive. Audi standard is 50%. So if it's not 50% or 50% or under, we have to replace the brakes and tires, brakes and rotors, and same thing with the tires. So what that also gives you is an extra year on your warranty. So instead of 4-year 80, it's now 5-year 100 with 20,000 kilometers and lower interest rates. So we do a lot more reconditioning, but you're getting a better car that you won't have so much maintenance after you buy the car from like a used car lot. So for more information about Audi's used cars, because I sell those too, come to me. I'm Sean Wicks. I have a drive for your business.